So now moving on to smartphone and its icons. So various smartphone comes with a lot of icons which appear on the either on the top right or top left corner of the screen. So these buttons act as an action button. If you touch certain icons, it will perform specific action. For example, like here we have the Wi-Fi option. If you click on the Wi-Fi icon, it will let your mobile connect to the any nearby Wi-Fi. Similarly, Bluetooth, clicking on the Bluetooth icon will allow your device to connect with any nearby devices via Bluetooth. Then you have location, that is GPS. So enabling the GPS will let your device track your location from time to time. We use this feature while using the maps in our phone. Then we have airplane mode. This icon will disable the phone ability to receive any call or connect to a cellular data or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, etc. Every smartphone comes with a basic apps, right? So so we have some basic apps like phone. So the phone app will allow you to contact with to call any your friends or family. Then we have the contact app, which work as a phone book address. So you have all the contacts in one place. You can also add any new contact by clicking on the create new contact icon. Just put the name of the person you want to. And then we have messaging app will allow you to send messages or receive messages to anyone. And then we have a browser app. So basically any phone will come with two browser app. One from the Google, like I'm using a Google. My phone doesn't have its own browser, so I'm using the Google Chrome. So Google Chrome browser will let you connect to the internet, search any website. Just all you have to write the website address like www.facebook.com or stuff like that. Or you can also write the keywords only. For example, I don't want to write the whole web address, I just write Facebook. So it will automatically leads me to the Facebook page. And then we have the clock app. So the clock app will let you keep the track of time. It has an alarm function. You can set your alarm, or it also has a world clock option. You can keep track of the world timing, like you can see at the New York it's now 5:39, for London, Delhi, Beijing, and etc. You can also use the timer in this timer feature and the stopwatch features too in this app. Then we come to calculator, which is a basic calculator, but the only difference is you can, apart from the basic calculation, you can also perform the scientific calculation. Like you can see the cos, tan, sin, tan, theta. These calculation can be performed with the phone calculator. And then we have calendar. So it's an year-long dates, and also you can set particular events, set reminders using this calendar app. So these are some basic information you can use to set up a smartphone, the various functions the icons have to perform, and then you have various apps which you can use. You can also download some apps if you want to. Thank you.